ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಆದಾಬ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಣಕಂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. In this video you are going to see what is meant by binary search, okay, with practical or logical or executional, all the things you are going to see. Without any delay, let's start the video, guys. To see here, not code, first practically or logically we are going to complete it, and after that we will execute. Okay, if I want 4, okay, number 4 to be searched, whether it is there or not in the array. So first, remember guys, for each and every time we are gonna separate it or make it half. Okay, what is the half of this 1 2 3 4 5? As usually here, right? So you are gonna compare, okay, what, whether 4 is equals to, that is nothing but whether it is 4 is equals to or same 3, not, right? So we will please make a note here. In binary search, the only thing should be remembered, that is nothing but array should be sorted. Please make a note of this, guys, because without sorting of array we can't able to execute binary search. So coming to the point or the topic we are discussing, yeah, whether we are checking 4 is equals with 3, definitely not. So it is not right. So, and please make a note of, there are 3 main variables here. Okay, there will be 3 main variables here, whatever you want. So low equals to 0, high equals to n minus 1, and mid value is nothing but sum of those two variables and whole divided by, sorry guys, whole divided by 2. So what is already we know, a low value is 0, high value is nothing but what, high value, okay, that is nothing but 5, not high value, number of elements I am saying, 1 2 3 4 5 are there. So 5 minus 1, right? So 5 minus 1, that is nothing but 4, and exactly low plus high by 2 means 4 divided by 2, that is nothing but 2, right? So we are gonna check with index 2 first. Okay, that is right, 0 1 2 and 3, as usually 4. So guys, first we searched whether this 4 is in the second index or not. So it is not there. What we need to do, we need to carefully listen here, guys. This is the main logic. We need to go this side. Okay, whether each and every loop, okay, we are gonna change the position or the searching element, like whether it will be high value, low value, mid value, all 3 gonna change. So now what is the low value? Please pause the video and guess if you already know this answer. That is nothing but L equals to mid plus 1, guys. Okay, L equals to mid plus 1. So if you are tracing the code here, wait, if you are tracing the code here, what will be, mid value is already what, 2 2 plus 1, that is nothing but 3, right? So here you can see mid value is already 2, so low equals to mid plus 1. So we are going to this side, right? So again we need to go with this logic, that is nothing but, and what about high value, guys? High value remains the same. Okay, now high value remains the same, h equals to 4 only. Okay, h equals to 4, L equals to 3. And what about mid value? Mid value will be again change, guys. Okay, again mid value is going to be what, mid value is going to be again low plus high by 3, that is nothing but, sorry, low plus high by 2. So low value, what is the low value? It is nothing but 3, as usually. And what about this high value? That is nothing but 4, right? So whole divided by 2 if we are going to do, so 7 by 2, as usually. 7 by 2, if you are doing division, don't take decimal points. Okay, just to take that integer. So 3 we will get, right? So 2 3 is 6, so 3.5 will come. So we are going to take 3. Okay, now so guys, again I am telling, low value is 3, high value is 4. and mid value is nothing but 3. So again we are gonna check whether 4, our 4 is equals with third index element. What is the third index element in our array? 0, 1, 2, 3. That is nothing but 4. Yeah, we found guys. So hope you guys understand. Simple guys, nothing. First we are gonna take low, high and mid values. Okay. Again, if our element doesn't match with mid value, we are gonna change. Okay. We are gonna take low equals to mid plus 1, right? If not, okay. This is the first case. Okay. Whatever we see the example, that is nothing but first case. Now we are going to do what? Second case. For example, second case. For example, I want you know like wait guys. So what we are discussing guys. So for example, if my element, the searching element I want is nothing but, let it be, okay, 1. Okay guys, it will be somewhat tricky. So again I am taking that example. Wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Guys, if you are taking this 1, so what is the low, high and mid values first? So make a guess if possible. If you know, I know you already know that. Low value is nothing but 0. Okay. And high value will be as usually 4. Because how many elements are there? 5 are there. 5 minus 1, how much? 4. Okay, 4. And talking about this mid value is nothing but 0 plus 4 whole divided with 2, right? So 0 plus 4, that is nothing but 4, and divided by 2 will as usually 2. Okay, and we are going to check. Uh, so up to here, the first initialization is completed. So we are going to check. What we are going to check? Whether this 1 is equals with, wait, yes. First we are going to check whether our 1 is equals with the mid value. No. So what I said, for every time we are going to take off the right. So in the previous logic we went right side because our element found us right side, right? So now we are going to move it this side because it is already sorted in ascending order. So it is located in left side, right? So here another logic will come. There are three main logics, right? The first thing is, if my element, okay, let it be like tr target, is greater than mid value. So what is the condition there? You are gonna change it as low is equals to mid plus 1. Okay, and another thing is there, if my tr, that is nothing but target, is less than mid means, now that is the case, we are searching for this, right? 1, that is the case, we are gonna do high, we are gonna decrease high equals to what? Mid minus 1. If our tr matches with mid, no, that is going to be end. Okay, this all guys. So in this case what happens? So our element doesn't matches with 3 and it is less than that. So we are going to take in the first iteration. Okay, I am making as first iteration. Okay, first iteration what? Low will be as usually 0. Okay, and the high value will change. High value means target is less than the mid, right? So mid minus 1, that is nothing but mid value, how much? Already 2. 2 minus 1, that is nothing but 1. So mid value will be again changed to what? 0 plus 1 by 2. What e with equals is 0 only. So we are gonna match again. to what? Pause the video and make a guess, guys. So again we are going to match whether, okay, whether that is nothing but our 1 is, what is the zeroth index, guys? Make a guess. 1 is available in the 1 or not. Guys, before going to do that, we missed one logic. Make a guess what it is. Yeah, guys, that is nothing but high value is what? Initially, high value is nothing but 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, we made a mistake. Sorry, guys. Okay, okay, let me go with this. Oh, shit. Okay, guys, no problem. I will type again. Wait. Yeah, guys, now it is correct, I think. So, our mid value, sorry, our target is less than the mid value. So, high will be what? Mid minus 1. That is nothing but 2 minus 1. So, 2 minus 1. Here you can see mid value initially. So, 2 minus 1, that is nothing but 1, right? So, we are going to check again. Okay, we are going to check again for what? Whether our 1 is matches with 2 or not. Okay, again it is no, it is not there. So again we need to make it as half, and we need to go like this only. Okay, we need to go like this only. So again in the second iteration what happens, guys? Wait, let me show you. In the second iteration what happens? In the second iteration, so low will be as usually 0, and what is high? High value need to be again. So it is not found there, right? 2 is not found there. So again mid minus 1. So 1 doesn't matches with the, here you can see high value is 1, and mid value, that is nothing but mid value, that is nothing but 0 plus 1 by 2. 0 plus 1 by 2, which gives us 0 0.5. Let it be like, yeah, 0 0.5. Let it be like 0. Yeah, you found whether at the 0th index. Now I'm going to change the color because we found it, right? So whether our 1 is available in 1. So finally we found it, guys. So in this way binary search is gonna work. Please excuse me if you can't understand. I tried my level best. So we are gonna do it with practical execution. Let's do it, guys. It is as same as linear search. Okay, the initial thing, yeah, we need to enter the target, and we take the help of found temporary variable, so it will plays crucial role. So what happens, guys? Initially int, as we discussed, low equals to 0. Okay, and int high value, that is nothing but high value will be what? N minus 1. So so as usually number of elements there are array dot length minus 1. That's all, guys. Okay, and we need to use while loop as usually. So we are going to check each and every time whether our low should be less than or equal to high. Okay, then we are going to take another variable. Make a guess what it is. Pause the video. That is something but mid. So low plus high divided with 2. Okay, right? So we are going to check what we are going to check, whether our target matches with mid value of what? Sorry, array of mid or not. If it is like that, we need to do what? Found. That particular found will be assigned with what, guys? Assigned with what? Make a guess. That is nothing but mid plus 1. Okay, you know, right? Because we started from 0 index, 0th index, but it is taking mid value as, so no need, I think, because carefully observe, guys. we took from 0 only, not 1, right? So that is the thing. And in this if, I am going to take another if else. That is nothing but whether our target is greater than array of mid. Then what we need to do? We need to do like low should be mid plus 1. Okay, or else another thing is there. That is nothing but another else if our target, if it is less than array of mid, means what we are going to do? We are going to do nothing but high will be decremented by mid minus 1. That's all, guys. Okay, we will try by execute this. Hope we will get the answer. It is asking for us enter your target. If I enter 2, okay, something happens, guys. What is that? Whether our target is, please make a guess what happens, guys. Let me rectify it. Guys, I saw that we forget to break the while loop. Okay, break the while loop. That's all. Now we will make a try whether it is coming or not. Yeah, it's asking for us to enter the input. Yeah, 2 is available at position 2. If I'm going to enter, yeah, you can see the array here, right? If I'm going to enter 5, it should be print like 5 is available at position 2. If I enter some other number like 6, 6 is not in the array. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good learning. Hope you understand, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want SQL, HTML, DSA, Python, Java, okay, those and all are available in our channel. If you want real-time examples of interviews, okay, direct interviews, I recorded with the help of my friends while interview going on. So I recorded that also. You want to see there, a playlist is available. SQL, real-time interviews, problem solving using Java, using Python, okay, SQL, those are all available in our channel. You can go there and watch. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support mainly. Have a good learning, guys.